Hey, welcome back to Those Damn Eggs, where we crack open real-life ways to stretch your dollars and thrive in a tighter economy. Today's topic, the ultimate spending tracker, your new best friend in the fight against mindless spending, overdrafts, and wondering where the heck your paycheck went. Stick around because I'm not just showing you a budget app. I'm showing you a real system to stay in control and build actual financial success. So if you're tired of that, where did my money go? Feeling this video is for you. Also, please hit that like button and subscribe as it really helps our channel, and that helps us help more people during this crazy economy. Let's be real for a second. Most people don't have a money problem. They have a money awareness problem. You don't know what you spend, so you spend more. You think you're doing fine, until you check your account and suddenly realize Starbucks, DoorDash, and impulse Amazon buys ate your rent. Tracking your spending helps you stop overspending, identify bad habits, build up savings, and feel way less stressed about money. Plus, it's the first step toward financial freedom. Seriously, you can't grow what you don't track. Okay, let's talk tools. You don't need anything fancy, but you do need something you'll actually use. Alright, so here are 3 solid options. First up, Google Sheets. It's totally free, super customizable, and hey, it works anywhere you've got internet. Next, we've got Notion or Excel. These are awesome if you're into visuals and dashboards, especially helpful if you're a bit more tech-savvy and like things to look nice and organized. And finally, budget apps like YNAB, Mint, or Rocket Money. They sync automatically with your bank, which is perfect if you really hate manual tracking. Seriously, it's a game changer. Pick the one that fits your style. The best tracker is the one you'll stick with. Here's a simple setup that anyone can do. Step 1. List your income, monthly paychecks, side hustles, anything coming in. Alright, Step 2. List all your expenses. I'm talking rent, utilities, insurance, groceries, gas, eating out. And don't forget the sneaky ones like subscriptions, delivery fees, and those random splurges that just kinda happen. Step 3. Categorize your spending into buckets like needs, wants, and goals. You know, stuff like savings or investments. Step 4. Check in weekly. Every Sunday night, just take 10 minutes to review your spending. That's it. 10 minutes equals way less money stress. Want to make it even easier? Try these 3 tracker hacks. Alright, so first up, color coding. Use green for essentials, yellow for caution items, and red for overspending. It's simple, it's visual, and yeah, it really works. Next, we've got the daily quick log. Just use your phone's Notes app to jot down purchases while you're out and about. Then, sync it up later when you've got a minute. Super easy. And finally, the weekly money minute. Just set a calendar reminder. 1 minute to glance at your totals. That's it. Because hey, awareness equals power. Alright, so once you track your spending for just 1 month, here's what'll happen. You'll probably find at least $100 of wasteful spending. Seriously, it adds up fast. Alright, so here's where it gets real. You'll finally see how much you actually spend on food. And yeah, it might be a bit of a shock. You'll get motivated to save or even start a side hustle if that's your thing. And hey, you'll finally stop that cycle of being broke before payday. You know the one. So here's your challenge. Start your tracker today. Whether it's an app, a spreadsheet, or just a notebook. Doesn't matter, just start. Again, If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe to Those Damn Eggs, and drop a comment with your biggest spending surprise. Was it coffee? Subscriptions? Impulse buys? Until next time, track it, save it, and let's beat inflation one egg at a time.